And Boya website is not properly responsive. Welcome to Webstyle Press. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. If you use a small microphone and wonder how it's like to sound with all those audio interfaces and mics with XLR cables that every YouTuber has got, watch and listen to this video. This is an interesting one. First of all, this video is not sponsored by Boya or Focusrite. I bought both products. This video is based on my personal experiments, mainly because I love to play with hardware, software, and code. I like to experiment with voice recording and related equipment. I'm not a voice artist or expert in sound related equipment. I am not endorsing to buy these products. Please use your own good judgment about these products. Okay. In this video, we are comparing voice quality recorded by using Boya BY-M1 and Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio 3rd generation. I will give you context for this comparison that is necessary to understand this comparison. I got Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio 3rd generation, but I could not make use of it properly on my laptop. There is some kind of earth or ground related issue or something. Sometimes my Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio produces background noise or voice distortion or humming noise that I'm not able to solve yet. Recording that I did in this video was done by using laptop detached from everything. I unplugged laptop from all cables and charger and everything and recorded voice by using Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio. I reached to Focusrite support for my issue, but they said to check earth or grounding issue in cabling or equipment. There is an article on their website related to that issue. Really a long article. Will take a fairly technical person to understand this issue. Anyways, I have used 3 fine microphones. Then I have used Boya BY M1. One of my pain has been background noise or humming noise in voice recording. I had been very interested in getting my hands on Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio. Finally, I got it. I wanted to improve my voice recording quality. Before that, I tried to find comparison between Boya BY M1 and Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio, but I did not find a single comparison on YouTube. So here it is. Right now I am using Boya BY M1. You are listening voice quality of Boya BY M1. Level is 50% and I have boosted it a little bit in production. Comparison was done by keeping both microphones at a distance of around 6 inches from mouth. The output was boosted in editing. No audio effects or equalizer was added. Focusrite's air mode is on. You will listen to actual voice quality. Boya BY-M1 is recording voice at 16-bit, while Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio 3rd generation is recording voice at 24-bit. So it's also a comparison between 16-bit voice and 24-bit voice recording quality. I understand that this comparison is not fair, mainly because Boya BY-M1 is a small lavalier microphone and is really cheap. On the other hand, Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio 3rd generation is an audio interface with high and bigger microphone. This audio interface bundle is not cheap as compared to Boya BY-M1. Focusrite microphone has got XLR cable while Boya BY-M1 is small, tiny, cheap, low-end microphone. It's not fair to compare these two. But Think about a person who wants to improve voice recording quality but cannot afford a decent microphone. He tries affordable microphones but not satisfied. He finds that everyone who records voice professionally has got audio interface. So naturally, he wants an audio interface. Focusrite is a decent audio interface for starters. Finally, he gets it and wants to share his findings with everyone who wants to upgrade his voice recording gear from a small microphone to a microphone attached with an audio interface by using XLR cables. Okay, voice comparison is at 50% gain, 60% gain, and 75% gain. Turn by turn, you will listen to Boya first and then Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio after that. Pay attention. Gain is set to 50%. This is Boya BY-M1. I am going to read a paragraph from Boya website. Boya BY-M1 is an omnidirectional lavalier microphone perfect for video use, designed for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, and PC. Gain is set to 50%, and this is Scarlett Solo Studio 3rd generation. I am going to read a paragraph from Focusrite website. You have found the simplest way to create incredible recordings of your music. Featuring the smallest USB audio interface, we make mic, headphones, and all the cables you need to get started. Scarlett Solo Studio is ready to record every song you will ever write. Gain is set to 60%. This is Boya BY-M1. I am going to read a paragraph from Boya website. Boya BY-M1 is an omnidirectional lavalier microphone perfect for video use, designed for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, and PC. Gain is set to 60%, and this is Scarlett Solo Studio 3rd generation. I'm going to read a paragraph from Focusrite website. You have found the simplest way to create incredible recordings of your music. Featuring the smallest USB audio interface, we make mic, headphones, and all the cables you need to get started. Scarlett Solo Studio is ready to record every song you will ever write. Gain is set to 75%. This is Boya BY-M1. I am going to read a paragraph from Boya website. Boya BY-M1 is an omnidirectional lavalier microphone perfect for video use, designed for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, and PC. Gain is set to 75%, and this is Scarlett Solo Studio 3rd generation. I am going to read a paragraph from Focusrite website. You have found the simplest way to create incredible recordings of your music. Featuring the smallest USB audio interface, we make mic, headphones, and all the cables you need to get started. Scarlett Solo Studio is ready to record every song you will ever write. My findings, in my own opinion, are Boya BY-M1 is not bad. It produces a crisp voice, little bit louder than Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio, but it throws a small background noise as well. Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio is great voice recording gear. I am surprised there is almost no background noise during this session with Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio. I am unable to use it permanently though. Also, voice from Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio is really solid. It looks genuine. So Boya is loud, crisp, and produces a little bit background noise. But Focusrite produces solid voice with almost no background noise. So this has been my own opinion on these two. And now YouTube has got a comparison on Boya BY-M1 and Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio. Yay! I usually record voice by using Boya BY-M1, yet it has got background noise, but it will go away. I will get there. Also, if you are interested in web development, software engineering, and all that, subscribe to this channel. I will love to see you on board. I hope you liked this video. If I missed anything, comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.